what's up? It's Little Rambo. You know, we're back. Just about to... I turned 18, today's my birthday, so we're just gonna see what to do. If 18 really about it, big number, all this and that, let's see if it is. See if being 18 is really worth it, you know? Everybody says, oh, this and that. We're about to see if it really is about it, you know? About to go hit up Dutch Bros. So I just got a whole load of this shit. Got a whole load of that. Like they tell me like the first time you buy lottery tickets, they're always winners. Always winners. So let's get a whole load of that. And they say that you have to use this special coin. This one right here. This one. This one is the one that always wins. I don't know if you could see that. If I could focus. That's the bingo. So it says right here, reveal 3 of those faces in the same row, and you get the whole lot of cash right there. Man, that's freaking stupid. Waste of $1 right there. Waste. This is a piece of crap. Do you even have to scratch this shit? Or what? The frick is this? I think I might have won. I don't want to be 18 anymore. I don't want to be 18. It's stupid. So we're gonna go hit up Dutch Bros, you feel me? Like, honestly, what's happening? Like, is the store going down? Or, like... Freaking people. I bought a whole lot of this, 20 bucks. I'm literally almost broke. Like, I'm not even kidding.
Oh.
So we're gonna write, Honk. This is my 18th birthday, and we're gonna see how many honks
we get.
Yeah, so coincidence. We're gonna be putting honk for my 18th birthday. What the heck is this? Are these all markers? Why is this package? Three kinds of washable markers. I don't know what the heck that is. This better work out. Better be getting like honks everywhere, like beep 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 beep, beep everywhere.
Dude, you have terrible handwriting. Do you want me to use it? Do you want me to do it? No one's seen that. That's too little.
That's too little?
Like, it's not thick. That's what I mean.
So how big?
Like big?
Like that big?
Yeah.
So how am I gonna write 18?
Just put honk for my 18th, for my birthday, and then put 18 in the middle. I don't know. That looks so much better. This nigga ain't finna hug your shit either, boy.
It's not because they don't speak English.
So we're like 2 minutes almost in, and no one has even said anything yet. So let's just hope this guy gets some birthday wishes, some birthday honks.
Dude, how come there's no people behind us? Like, what the frick? What? Right? Go the other way? Oh, maybe that guy.
There's a car behind you, but they ain't doing shit. We literally just went all over these cars and no one did shit, boy. No, he gives a fuck.
Wasted 20
Nothing. This boy wasted 20 bucks, boy. And not a single honk. Will this be the first car to honk? If you even catch up to it. There's no way they can't see that.
Are they looking at?
I'm so fucking mad, bro. It's been 15 minutes, not even a single one, bro. So much for 20 bucks.
There's no way they can't see that shit. I can see that from here. They don't know how to read it, though. Or maybe this car.
Oh, he saw it? He saw it? What the f? What a Oh, someone said something. Did you hear that? Did you hear that?
Yeah. What the fuck was that? Never heard that shit in my life. It's my freaking 18th birthday.
I'm dead as shit. Can I just fucking roll out the window? Hey! Got the first one! Finally! It only took about
Fuck, it's a Trump supporter!
It's a fucking Trump supporter? Ah, hell nah! And it's best friend Donald Trump. What the fuck? I'm dead as shit. Fuck that. That doesn't count. That doesn't count. That doesn't count. That doesn't count. Trump supporter. Hey, I know that guy. Yeah, that guy was a substitute teacher. It's beautiful down here, guys. Downtown Boise. A lot of traffic too.
They should do like right there so it gets.
You think you're good?
No. You have to shoot that.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do. You fucking have to shoot that. Fuck.
Ah! Ah, shit. No, that's out. That would have been out. We would call that out. Alright.
Fuck that. Four.
Have they?
Yeah, you did it. I feel like I'm shaking too much.
Imagine missing a layup. Dribble side low.
You can't even dribble.
Oh my god.
Hop on Warzone.
What you think? So I can add you.
Hey, whatever.
I got it in notes.
Okay.
8-1.
Hey!
Just gave it to me.
Oh, I think I had you.
Really?
Oh, I got you with it! I got you with it!
9-2.
What are we going to?
21.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Ooh.
And in slide.
Ah.
We're both in slides. So no excuses.
I mean, I got it with that.
Tip that.
Hey, right here.
Rest it?
12-2.
Was that out?
No. Current score is 12-2. Tip. Tip. Not on me. I'll get that cameraman.
4. That's 4.
12-4.
Back down. Get up.
I'm not even sweating.
Start sweating because you're losing. 13-4.
13-4?
Yeah. 15.
Alright, so Wednesday or what?
Yeah, Wednesday.
Bet. Alright. Shoot it. Why won't you?
18-4.
Not like I'm sweating. Wow, what the heck? You cannot push me like that.
No. Get stronger. Hit the gym. 19-4.
Hey! What the heck?
What is that?
Catch the ball.
Game. Game. Oh. Spoke too soon.
I spoke too soon.
19-5.
Spoke too soon.
Game. You guys can see the winner. What do you say? What do you have to say to the camera?
So,
Alright, he's gonna get a shot. And he missed.
wait, no, that didn't count.
Yep.
That didn't count. One more. If I make this, we'll have to run it up at the gym.
I get a shot then. 2. You got 2. Oh.
You straight up push me.
Right. That means you need to get stronger. Comment down below if you guys want part 2. Cut the cameras.